What are the best techniques for memorizing legal rules for the bar exam? If you are preparing for the bar exam and wondering how to memorize legal rules effectively, you are not alone. Many aspiring lawyers face this challenge. Let's uncover some practical techniques that can help you succeed. First, consider breaking down your study material into smaller sections. This method, often called chunking, allows you to focus on one topic at a time. For instance, if you are studying torts, separate it into categories like intentional torts, defenses, and causation. Tackling one chunk at a time makes the information less overwhelming. Next, try active recall through writing. Cover parts of your outline and write down what you remember. This could mean listing all the elements of a contract or tort rule from memory. Check your accuracy and repeat this process until you can recall the rules without looking. This technique engages your memory and helps reinforce what you have learned. Using mnemonics can also be a game changer. Create memorable phrases or sentences where the first letter of each word corresponds to a legal term. For example, to remember the elements of robbery, you might come up with a catchy sentence. This makes recalling complex rules much easier. Another effective method is the memory palace technique. Picture a familiar place, like your home, and associate different legal concepts with specific rooms. As you mentally walk through your home, visualize each concept in its designated spot. This spatial memory technique can significantly improve recall. Teaching the material to someone else can also solidify your understanding. When you explain legal rules aloud, you organize your thoughts and identify any gaps in your knowledge. This practice helps reinforce what you have learned. Creating stories or songs that link related concepts can also aid memorization. The more vivid and unusual the story, the better it sticks in your mind. For instance, linking elements of larceny into a quirky narrative can make the rules easier to remember. Prioritizing your study based on the frequency of testing is another smart strategy. Focus first on the rules that appear most often on the bar exam. This way, you ensure that you are spending your time on the material that is most likely to be tested. Incorporating multiple learning styles can also enhance your memorization. Combine visual, auditory, and kinesthetic methods. Read the rules aloud, write them down, and draw diagrams. Mixing these approaches helps reinforce memory through different pathways. Lastly, practice distributed learning. Instead of cramming all at once, spread your study sessions over time. Revisit each topic multiple times with breaks in between to strengthen long-term retention. Understanding the rules before memorizing them is essential. Clarifying any confusing concepts makes them easier to remember and apply during the exam. By using these techniques, you can improve your ability to recall legal rules under the pressure of the bar exam. Start with manageable chunks, engage in active recall, and layer in mnemonic devices and teaching. These strategies will help you prepare effectively and boost your confidence as you approach the exam.